Dear students, today we are going to discuss AC generator, means alternating current generator, a generator which produces alternating current. Question is this, what do you mean by alternating current? Then simply up to class 10 we have studied that a current which changes direction. ऐसा करंट जो कि अपना डायरेक्शन चेंज करता है, दैट वे करंट इज नोन एज अल्टरनेटिंग करंट. एंड हेयर वी हैव एसी जनरेटर, मीन्स वैसा जनरेटर जो अल्टरनेटिंग करंट प्रोड्यूस करे, दैट वेरी जनरेटर इज नोन एज एसी जनरेटर. इन केस व्हाट हैपेंस इन केस ऑफ जनरेटर, वी रोटेट द कॉइल, हम लोग कॉइल को रोटेट कराते हैं and we get electricity. It means that we can say it is a device which is used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. This very device is invented by Mr. Nikola Tesla and it works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Means due to change in flux there will be induced current and induced EMF. Then question is this कि how does it works? Then we used to say, अभी आपने कहा है it works on phenomenon of electromagnetic induction and we know that कि when a closed circuit is rotated rapidly in a strong magnetic field, या अभी आपने यह कहा कि जो है पिछले टॉपिक में आपने यह पढ़ा था कि when flux through a coil changes, there will be induced EMF as well as induced current, right? Likely in the same way, when in a magnetic field a coil will be rotated, जब किसी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में कॉइल रोटेट करेगा, then what is the number of field lines which will cross through the coil, that will change. It means that flux associated with the coil will change, and so there will be induced EMF, there will be induced EMF as well as induced current, right? It means that there will be induced EMF as well as induced current. Question is this, what are its different parts? Before coming over its parts, first see its figure. See this. This is the coil of the generator. यह जो देख रहे हैं यह coil of the generator है. जनरेटर का coil है. इसमें ढेर सारे coil होते हैं, but for clarity of the figure केवल एक coil दिखाया गया है, right? And this very coil is placed in a magnetic field. यह कॉइल जो है एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रखा गया है. यहाँ पर एक देख लीजिए, एक मैग्नेट है, यू सेड मैग्नेट हुई नॉर्थ पोल इज हेयर एंड साउथ पोल इज हेयर. इट मीन दैट हेयर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ along this direction, right? एंड द कॉइलिंग ऑफ वायर, जो यहाँ पर वायर का कॉइलिंग किया जाता है, दैट इज ओवर अ आर्मेचर, ओवर अ rectangular frame, and that very rectangular frame is known as armature. Here you can see armature is ABCD, right? तो यह जो कॉइल है, कॉइलिंग किया गया है, इसके दो एंड होंगे. वन एंड इज कनेक्टेड टू दिस वेरी फुल रिंग विच इज आल्सो नोन एज स्लिप रिंग, एंड अनदर एंड ऑफ द कॉइल इज कनेक्टेड टू दिस रिंग, राइट? और ये दोनों रिंग जो है दो कार्बन ब्रशेस से कनेक्टेड है, जो कि यह कार्बन ब्रश जो होता है रिंग से केवल सटा हुआ होता है, केवल टच करता है, बट इट इज नॉट रिजिडली कनेक्टेड टू द रिंग, एंड अल्टीमेटली दीज टू ब्रशेस आर कनेक्टेड टू आउटर सर्किट, राइट? Now come over its different parts. First one is your armature. वह जो rectangular coil था, that is known as armature. Magnet. Magnet आपने देखा था जो है that was in concave shape. Slip ring, वह जो दो आपने ring देखा था, which was full ring. That very full ring is also known as slip rings. DC जनरेटर में वह जो है दो हाफ रिंग होते हैं विच आर नोन एज स्लिप रिंग्स, बट इन केस ऑफ AC जनरेटर देयर आर टू फुल रिंग्स विच आर नोन एज स्लिप रिंग्स. Brushes, these two are there are two carbon brushes which held stationary, which always in connection with slip rings, and these two brushes are connected to outer circuit. यह फिगर तो हमने आपको बता दिया. इसमें अगर कुछ क्लास 10 की थ्योरी याद आ रही है तो ज़रा सा ध्यान से देखिए. व्हाट वी डू हियर कि हम लोग कॉइल को मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रोटेट कराते हैं. तो उस रोटेशन से जो है इस जो क्या कहते हैं कॉइल में जो है फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, दे एक्सपीरियंस अ फोर्स एंड ड्यू टू दैट वेरी फोर्स दे मूव अलोंग ए पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. And when they move along a particular direction, then ultimately through rings and brushes, they come in outer circuit and we get alternating current. We get current. As for example, see here figure. इस फिगर को देखिए. Let us suppose your coil is in rotation clockwise. Clockwise rotate कर रहा है. See here. देखिए यहाँ डायरेक्शन शो किया गया है. In this direction, here AB is going to move in upward direction and CD is in downward direction. Question is this: how we can say कि we will get current? Means different electrons, free electrons will experience force. Then see here. During rotation of the coil clockwise, AB will go in upward direction and CD will go in downward direction. It is well known fact to you all that a metallic wire has large number of free electrons, and when AB will go in upward direction, then all these free electrons will experience force, will move in upward direction. What is happening here? यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? ये जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं दे आर इन मोशन इन ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. और आपने यह पढ़ा है कि इफ a charged particle is in motion in a magnetic field, then that experiences a force according to formula F equal to Q V cross B. We used to say F equal to Q V cross B. तो जो इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे AB वायर में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे they will experience force in upward direction, right? तो जरा सा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पर जो अगर इमेजिन कीजिए थोड़ी देर के लिए पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, देन पॉजिटिव चार्ज इन वी डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव चार्ज विल एक्सपीरियंस फोर्स, देन पॉजिटिव चार्ज विल एक्सपीरियंस फोर्स इन वी डायरेक्शन. F equal to Q V cross B means positive charges will experience force from F equal to Q V cross B from A to B. Right hand thumb rule से आप you can by the help of right hand rule you can find F equal to Q V cross B. Different positive charges will experience force from A to B, so electrons will experience force from B to A. Means direction of electrons will be from B to A, so current will flow from A to B. राइट A से B में जाएगा. अब CD जो है तो आपका जो है नीचे जा रहा है, जब उसमें जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं उसके बारे में सोचेंगे. Then here free electrons will experience force from D to C. It means that current will flow from C to D. It means that in this very condition, when coil will be in rotation, means it will be in clockwise rotation, then current will flow in the loop from A to B to C to D. So and this very CD terminal of the loop is connected to ring R1. So in outer circuit, current will come in outer circuit from end R1. R1 से होते हुए ब्रश B1 में जाएगा, मीन्स आउटर सर्किट में करंट B1 से बाहर निकलेगा. तो जब B1 कहला जाएगा पॉजिटिव इंड और जो है B2 कहला जाएगा negative in, it means that in this manner we will get current from brush B1 to brush B2 and our bulb will glow. You are saying our loop is in rotation. So after half rotation, when CB will be at AB and AB will be at CD, then what will happen? Again now CD will be in upward direction, we will go in upward direction and AB will be in downward direction. इसका मतलब CD में जो current flow करेगा that will be from D to C और AB में B to A. It means that now current will flow from C to D to C to B to A, and A end is connected. A end of the loop is connected to ring R2, and which is connected to brush B2. It means that now in outer circuit current will pass from brush B2. What we are observing here, आधे रोटेशन में करंट हम लोग का देख रहे थे B1 पॉजिटिव था, B2 नेगेटिव था, बट आफ्टर हाफ रोटेशन व्हाट वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग, B2 has become positive and B1 has become negative. It means that here current is changing direction. It means that the current which we are getting, that is not DC, that is AC, and here production of current is taking place. It means that here AC, this very generator is AC generator, right? Now come over to what will be expression of this very AC अल्टरनेटिंग करंट जो मेरा प्रोड्यूस होगा उसका क्या एक्सप्रेशन होगा. तो सबसे पहले कहेंगे कि अल्टरनेटिंग करंट जो प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है वह किसके चलते प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. देन वी कैन से इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आवर कॉइल इज इन रोटेशन, फील्ड लाइन्स आर चेंजिंग, flux crossing through it changing. It means that there is induced EMF as well as induced current, right? It means that due to rotation we are getting current. Then if we are getting current तो उसका क्या you can say कि वह जो induced EMF होगा, हमने पढ़ा है फैराडे लॉ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन, इंड्यूस्ड EMF इक्वल टू d∅dt. इसका मतलब अगर फाई का इक्वेशन हमको मिल जाए, उसको डिफरेंशिएट करें, देन वी कैन गेट EMF एंड और फिर V इक्वल टू IR लगा दें, देन वी कैन गेट इंड्यूस्ड करंट. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट विल बी एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंड्यूस्ड EMF एज वेल एज इंड्यूस्ड करंट, राइट? नाउ वी आर इन पोजिशन टू find expression of induced EMF. Now see here, question is this key, what is the working principle of this very generator? Then we can say due to rotation of the coil between the magnet poles, electrons experiences force according to formula F equal to Q V cross B, and it moves in the wire, due to which we get induced current as well as induced EMF. Question is, what will be expression of induced EMF as well as induced current? We know that according to Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, induced EMF is equal to minus d∅dt. So first we should find flux. And we also know that flux equal to B dot ds. We also know that flux phi equal to B dot ds or dA, right? Then question is this, what will be expression of flux? Let us suppose here your coil is in rotation. Here we have considered clockwise rotation. Your coil is in rotation, so flux will change. Let us suppose when our coil is in vertical position, at that time we have taken t equal to 0. We have taken t equal to 0 means उस समय से जब कॉइल वर्टिकल पोजीशन में है, हम लोग कॉइल के मोशन को ऑब्जर्व करना शुरू किए हैं. एंड लेट अस सपोज कॉइल इज इन रोटेशन विद एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ओमेगा, राइट? एट टी इक्वल टू 0 कॉइल इज इन वर्टिकल पोजीशन और यह एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ओमेगा से रोटेट कर रहा है. इन दिस वेरी केस व्हेन कॉइल विल बी इन वर्टिकल पोजीशन, area vector magnetic field is in horizontal direction and area vector will be also along the direction of magnetic field, right? But let us suppose at time t equal to t, coil has rotated through angle theta. Coil जो है theta angle से rotate कर गया है. It means that now area vector will be along this direction. It means that now after time t, angle between B vector and area vector will be theta. So we can say flux will be equal to B dot ds, which is equal to B into ds into cos theta, right? As the coil rotates, the magnetic flux linked with it also changes, right? Then now question is this, what will be value of flux? Let us suppose at any instant t equal to 0 second, coil is in vertical position, and after time t, it rotates through an angle theta with angular velocity omega. Then at this time, angle between magnetic field and area vector will be theta. So instantaneous flux, magnetic flux at time t will be equal to B dot A, which is equal to B into A into cos theta. And we know that, listen, angular velocity, you have, आपने कहा है angular velocity equal is omega, और t टाइम में थीटा एंगल से चल लिया है. So we can write omega equal to theta by t. So theta will be equal to omega into t. So we can write phi equal to B into A into cos omega t, right? It means that instantaneous flux will be equal to this. Then now, what will be induced EMF, which can be obtained by differentiating flux? So rate of change of magnetic flux d phi by dt will be obtained by differentiating this B into A बाहर निकाल देंगे. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos omega t will be minus sin omega t into omega. So integration, so rate of change of magnetic flux will be equal to minus B into A into omega into sin omega t, right? Now, what will be induced EMF? We know that induced EMF E equal to d minus d phi by dt, and when there will be n turns, so totally induced EMF will be equal to n into minus d phi by dt, which will be equal to n into B into A into omega into sin omega t, right? Induced EMF is equal to this much. See here, induced EMF is equal to this much, n into B into A into omega into sin omega t, which is also a function of t. Then question is this, what will be maximum value of induced EMF? Then we can say EMF will be maximum when sin omega t will be maximum, because n is constant, B is constant, A is constant, omega is constant. So E will be maximum when sin omega t will be maximum. And we know that maximum value of sin omega t is 1. Maximum value of sin omega t is 1. So maximum value of induced EMF E0 will be equal to can be obtained by putting sin omega t equal to 1 in this very expression. So EMF, maximum value of EMF will be equal to n into B into A into omega, right? And expression of instantaneous EMF will become E equal to E0 sin omega t, which is a function of time, right? It means that induced EMF equal to E0 sin omega t, where E0 is n into A, which n into A into B into omega into sin omega t, right? It means that expression of induced EMF will be equal to E0 into sin omega t, right? E into sin omega t, which is equal to E0 into sin theta, which is equal to E0 into sin theta. नाउ कम ओवर, नाउ सी दिस वेरी फिगर, इस फिगर को ध्यान से देखिए कि थीटा के अलग अलग वैल्यू पर ईएमएफ का वैल्यू क्या क्या होगा। नाउ सी हियर, व्हेन थीटा विल बी 0 डिग्री, व्हेन थीटा विल बी 0 डिग्री मीन्स व्हेन कॉइल विल बी इन वर्टिकल पोजिशन एंड एट दैट वेरी टाइम direction of B will be same as area vector, means angle between area vector and B will be equal to 0 degree, right? And we know that sin 0 equal to 0, sin 0 equal to 0, so induced EMF E will be equal to E0 into 0 equal to 0. It means that in vertical position when theta will be 0 degree, induced EMF will be 0. आफ्टर 1/4 रोटेशन कॉइल जब रोटेट होकर के हॉरिजेंटल होगा, एट दैट वेरी टाइम एरिया वेक्टर विल बी इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन एंड एंगल बिटवीन बी एंड ए विल बी 90 डिग्री। इन दैट वेरी केस sin theta will be 90 degree and value of sin 9 theta is equal to 1. So induced EMF will be equal to E0, which is maximum value. It means that at theta equal to 90 degree EMF will be E0, right? Maximum. Again, when our loop will take again one half turn, it means that when area vector will be in left direction and magnetic field vector will be in right direction, at that very time theta will be equal to 180 degree and sin 180 equal to 0 and sin 180 equal to 0. So again induced EMF will be 0. जरा ध्यान से देखेंगे, थीटा इक्वल टू 0 पर 0 EMF, जैसे जैसे थीटा बढ़ रहा है EMF इज इंक्रीजिंग, 90 डिग्री पर मैक्सिमम EMF, फिर जैसे जैसे थीटा और बढ़ रहा है नाउ EMF इज डिक्रीजिंग, राइट, डिक्रीजिंग, घटते जा रहा है, अल्टीमेटली 180 डिग्री पर जो है EMF 0 हो गया, राइट। मीन्स वन मोर थिंग, EMF इज पॉजिटिव, अगर राइट डायरेक्शन वाले को पॉजिटिव लो तो देन EMF इज पॉजिटिव। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, EMF जो है and when EMF will be equal to when EMF will be maximum, then according to Ohm's law V equal to I into R, V equal to I into R, current will be also maximum. It means that जो अल्टरनेटिंग करंट प्रोड्यूस होगा जब वर्टिकल पोजीशन में 0 करंट है, जैसे जैसे रोटेट करता जाएगा 45 डिग्री से रोटेट करेगा जो है, जब 90 डिग्री से जब रोटेट करेगा, देन एट दैट वेरी टाइम EMF will be maximum, current will be maximum, और फिर और जब रोटेट करेगा तो धीरे धीरे EMF घटता जाएगा, करंट भी घटता जाएगा, एंड एट 180 डिग्री EMF will be 0, current will be 0, and after that again when it will take half turn, again when it will take 1/4 turn, then angle between B vector and area vector will be 270 degree and sin 272 equal to -1, so induced EMF will be equal to -E0. It means that again EMF will be maximum but with minus sign. What does it mean? EMF फिर मेरा बढ़ने लगा बट विद माइनस साइन, हेयर माइनस मीन्स अपोजिट डायरेक्शन। इसका मतलब अगर अभी राइट डायरेक्शन से फ्लो हो रहा था देन नाउ करंट विल स्टार्ट फ्लो, करंट विल स्टार्ट टू फ्लो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन, और फिर इसका वैल्यू बढ़ते 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 मैक्सिमम होगा, और फिर अगला रोटेशन करेगा तो अगेन घटते 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 0 होगा। इट मीन दैट यह वर्टिकल से फिर वर्टिकल तक आने में जो है करंट 2 बार मैक्सिमम होगा, एक बार अगर राइट डायरेक्शन में फ्लो करेगा तो दूसरी बार लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन में फ्लो करेगा। इट मीन दैट ड्यूरिंग वन रोटेशन ऑफ द कॉइल, फॉर हाफ रोटेशन ऑफ द कॉइल current will flow. If current is flowing from right side, then in next half rotation current will flow from left direction. It means that we can say equation of induced EMF E will be equal to E0 sin omega t, and we know that V equal to I into R, so I will be equal to V means E by R, so it will be equal to E0 by R into sin omega t, and E0 by R, E0 is maximum value of EMF, so E0 by R will be maximum value of current, and expression will become I0 into sin omega t. It means that we can say expression of induced EMF, expression of alternating current is equal to alternating EMF is equal to E0 sin omega t, and alternating current is I equal to I0 sin omega t. Right? It means that from this very AC generator we have learnt what will be equation of induced, what will be equation of alternating current as well as alternating voltage. Right? Okay. Thank you.